Hi, this video is a response to Black Lives Matter actually destroying some of my property. I hope you enjoy the video. Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation is the national organizing chapter of a network of 16 local Black Lives Matter chapters. These local Black Lives Matter chapters, as of June 4th, 2020, are in Boston, Chicago, Washington, D.C., Denver, Detroit, Los Angeles, Lansing, Michigan, Long Beach, California, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, New York City, Philadelphia, South Bend, Indiana, Toronto, Canada, Vancouver, Canada, and Waterloo, Canada. Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation is the primary organizational outgrowth of the more decentralized Black Lives Matter movement and is a fiscally sponsored project of Thousand Currents, a 501c3 nonprofit. Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation was founded in 2013 by activists Patrisse Cullors and 2 others. Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation, as a project of Thousand Currents, is required to function under the IRS rules for a 501c3 nonprofit organization. This status makes Thousand Currents and Black Lives Matter exempt from federal income taxes. A requirement imposed by Congress for the privilege of being recognized as exempt from federal income tax under Section 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code is a ban on political campaign activity. For an organization to be tax exempt under Section 501c3, it cannot participate in or intervene in any political campaign on behalf of or in opposition to any candidate for public office. I'm going to repeat that. Cannot intervene in any political campaign on behalf of or in opposition to any candidate for public office. Is Ms. Cullors and Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation violating this ban? Take a look and decide for yourself.
Trump needs to be out of office. He is not fit for office. And so what we are going to push for is a move to get Trump out. What our goal is to get Trump out.
Ms. Cullors said, Trump needs to be out of office. He is not fit for office. What we are going to push for is a move to get Trump out. Our goal is to get Trump out. This is specific for a particular candidate. This is not advocacy for any issue. In my opinion, Ms. Cullors is intervening in a political campaign in opposition to President Trump. Based on what I heard, in my opinion, Ms. Cullors is violating the ban on political activity. Now, what happens if an organization engages in prohibited political campaign activity? Violating this ban may result in denial or revocation of the organization's tax-exempt status and the imposition of an excise tax on the amount of money spent on the activity, which in Black Lives Matter's situation could be extensive. I think this should be investigated by the federal government and their tax-exempt status reviewed. Well, I hope this helps. Have a good day.